Great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, power steering, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.